Jai Gaur Shri Radha Ramana Vijayate. I welcome you all to the Sutra, Stotra and Shastra class of Nimai Pathshala. So today before we begin the class, we'll chant one round of Mahamantra together. So I request you all to get your beadbacks and we'll begin with the chanting. कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतः क्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः हरे कलौ नास्त्यैव गतिरन्यथा नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परम् हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण हरे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna 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 Hare Rama, Rama 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 Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Ram, Ram 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 Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Shri Radha Raman Lal ki jai.
श्रीमन चैतन्य महाप्रभु की जय। श्री वृंदावन धाम की जय। श्री हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। श्री श्री गोपाल भट्ट गोस्वामी जी महाराज की जय। संपूर्ण गुरु परंपरा की जय। जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे श्याम निताई गौर हरि बोल, गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिंधुभ्य एव च पतितानाम पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. I welcome you all to the Monday class of Nimai Pathshala. This class is precisely in English for all those students who are willing to take the class in English or don't understand Hindi. So this is the class for you. I welcome you once again. So today is a very important class wherein we are going to go ahead with the next 5 shlokas of Bhakti Yoga. This is a very important chapter of Shrimad Bhagavad Gita because this is going to give you solutions to all the questions that you have in your mind, in your heart regarding bhakti. Today in the morning, actually, a video was put from our page wherein we are saying that you should never eat the prasadam before it is being offered to Thakurji. As I always say, that bhakti is always according to the pranali and the parampara you are following. You have to understand one thing, my children, it is very, very important. You have to understand this very, very clearly, as it is very crucial for every Vaishnav to understand. No matter how much you love Radha Raman Lal, no matter how much you are doing everything to prove your love to him, you have made him the most important person of your family. You are serving him out of love, but still you can never forget that he is residing in your home as Laddu Gopal out of love, but in the end, he is the supreme authority of the world. It's his love for you that he has become so simple. But please don't ever forget what Radha Raman Lal actually who he is. He is the king of the entire universe. विश्वम विष्णुर वषटकारो भूत भव्य भवत प्रभु भूत कृत भूत वृद्भावो भूतात्मा भूत भावना. He's saying that अनेक रूप रूपाय विष्णवे प्रभ विष्णवे. You can never forget. I think when it comes, when we think about love, nobody loves Bhagavan more than gopis. We all always think that we should have gopi bhav so that we can love Bhagavan to the deepest core. But even when Shukdev ji is reciting Ras to Parikshit ji, at that time also, before starting Ras, Bhagwan Shukdev ji himself is reminding Parikshit that Parikshit, you have to always remember that the Leela of whom you are listening now, don't ever involve Lokik Buddhi in that. He might be looking that he is dancing like everybody else does, but he is Bhagavan Pitah Ratri Sharadot Phulla Mallika. That he is no ordinary person. He is himself Bhagavan, who is ahameva samevagre nanyad yat sad satparam paschadam yadetacha yo vashishyet sosmyam. He is the one who is the creator, who is the operator, and who is the destroyer of this entire universe. So if you think, as I said in that video as well in yesterday's class, that you always have to remember that whom you are serving. Arjun is the most loved friend of Shri Krishna, for whom he has decided to become a driver. He is riding the chariot of Arjun. Can you believe the extent of love that Bhagwan Shri Krishna has for Arjun? But even then, when Arjun is actually thinking that Bhagwan is just a friend of him, even though he knows that Bhagwan is very powerful, Shri Krishna is very powerful, still he is doubting on his power. Bhagwan had to show his Virat Swaroop to Arjun. That, hello, I might look very simple and available to you, but I am very, very rare to have. I am the most supreme personality of this universe. I am Ritirtham yat pratiyeta na pratiyeta chatmani tad vidyat manomayam yatha bhaso yathatama. Yatha mahanti bhutani bhutesu cha vacheshvanu pravishthanyo pravishtani tatha teshu na teswam. Etavadev jigyasam tattva jigyasunatmana anvya vyatirekabhyam yat sayat sarvatra sarvada. So you should never forget that. If you're serving Lord out of love, always remember that he is taking this seva from you. That is his quality. That he knows that you cannot serve him with so many formalities. But you should always remember that you are serving the Supreme. And if he is merciful to be so available to you, you should never forget his strength and serve him with that same purity. How can you eat the food before serving the Supreme? When you are cooking for the Supreme, Brahma Arpanam Brahma Havir, Brahma Agnau Brahmanautam, Brahmaiva Tena Gantavyam, Brahma Karma Samadhi. You are nobody to cook for him. It's him who is going to come in you and cook for himself. Why? If you're thinking that you are cooking, let me tell you one thing very clearly, that you are doing a karma in your life that is going to, in the end, involve you into karma bandhan. But if it is Bhagwan coming, cooking and eating in the end, and then whatever leftover is there is giving you to eat, that is the best thing to do. Don't become the supreme. Don't become the owner. Oh, I am cooking. How can I serve him with less salt or more sugar? Hello. He is Bhagwan. He is the one who has made salt and sugar as well. He is the one who has made everything that you're using to cook whatever you're cooking for him in the kitchen. So that is one thing. And another thing is that when you do bhakti, that is why it is very important to have a guru in your life. That is why it is very important to know your road towards the ultimate destination. Because one same destination can be reached from various roads. But your road can only be told by that person who has walked from where you are standing to that ultimate destination. And that is where the role of guru comes. Your guru is going to tell you that you have to walk on this road, you have to serve this way, you have to chant this many rounds, you have to do this seva, this is how you have to cook for him, this is what you need to meditate upon when you are chanting, this is how you need to do marjani. Everything will be told. So there is no comparison. People will say, people have already said Premanandji has already told that this is how it should be. Definitely, he's very respectable. He's very, very pure saint. And whatever he is saying is definitely right for the people following his pranali. For somebody to reach Vrindavan from Delhi, the route will be from Delhi. If somebody is wanting to reach Vrindavan and he thinks that he's going to go to Kanyakumari and then Gujarat and then Chandigarh and then Himachal and then probably find the way, he'll be lost. Wasted of time, energy and demotivation will come on the way. Because when you'll not be able to reach there, wherein other people have already reached. Why? Because you are walking on the wrong route. Guru is the route, Govind is the destination. Again, Guru is the route. You have to follow your pranali. Bhagwan definitely falls for only and only love. Bhagwan will ultimately become happy when you will serve him out of just love. But you always have to remember that you're serving Bhagwan. Never forget that. He is self-capable. He doesn't need anybody to serve him. Whatever you are doing to serve him is actually his own things. Tera tujhko arpan kya lage mera. Somebody gifting, somebody going to somebody's birthday and saying, can you give me 500 rupees? That person gave the other person 500. He put that 500 into an envelope and said, happy birthday. He's saying, are you mad? You took 500 from me and put that into an empty envelope and gave it back and saying, happy birthday. That is my money only. What have you done? So what have we done? It's all Radha Ramanji's. So it is ultimately, it's Radha Ramanji's quality that he has become so available, and it is our love for him that we serve him with utmost purity. Believe in him. As I said in yesterday's class, communicate with him. Thakurji, what would you like to have today? Inspire me. Trust me. It will come to you. You will have a craving to eat that thing, what he wants to have, and then you'll make it. So please be very careful. I respect Premanandji a lot, and there is no way that whatever he's saying is incorrect, but it depends on what pranali are you following. And even when you are serving Lord out of utmost love, never forget that in the end he is the God. He is the Bhagavan. Right? So he doesn't need to eat. And people say, what about Shabri ji? What about Vidurani? How can we even compare our bhakti with such elevated Vaishnavas in the parampara? How? Do you know what Shabriji has done for Shri Ram? She has waited 87 years of her life, every day, entire day, just meditating upon Shri Ram and plucking those berries from the tree and waiting. Did nothing else. Are we all doing that? 87 years. She was 5 years old when Martande Rishi gave her the blessing that you only have to do this. And she was blessed by her Guru. The day your Guruji will tell you that you are a Siddh Sant now, I'm giving you all my power, then you can also taste the food and offer. At least have that capability, have that stature. And I don't think no matter how much bhakti you do, you can ever call yourself that my sadhana is equivalent to what Shabriji did and what Vidurani has done. Oh my God. Jiver Swarup Hoye Nitya Krishna Das. And I would say not just Nitya Krishna Das, Gopi Bharatu Pad Kamalayor, not Das, Das, Dasanu, 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 Das. Vidurani ji, Shabri ji. On this note, just wanted to clarify my feelings. It was a very humble and a very good discussion what the children following Premanandji have said in those comments, which is very respectable because their guru have told this. But I'm very sure Maharajji has guided this very clearly that only those who have initiated from Maharajji, Premanandji Maharajji, will have to follow this niyam. But if you talk about Shastras, if you talk about Shri Hari Bhakti Vilas, if you talk, I am not talking about love. You know, do seva of Thakurji out of love is also mentioned only in the Shastras. So you have to follow the Shastras. You can't go beyond them and make your own rules because you think you love Thakurji and love comes over everything. No. A child loves her mother to bits, but whenever he creates some kind of indiscipline, the mother has to scold him as well. Out of love, you cannot cross your boundary. Hey, Momsy. Hey, Popsy. You cannot create indiscipline. You cannot cross your boundary. So being a Vaishnav, don't cross your boundary when it comes to Govind. Let him come on your boundary. You don't try to become Siddh and cross the boundary and go the other way. Trust me, you're going to fall very, very badly in bhakti. It's a request. And as I always say, Premanandji is very elevated. I am nobody, not even a small ant in front of Vaishnavas and Sadhus. I am just a mother, again, who is just wanting her children to be very clear on the path they are walking. I don't want any of you to get confused. We don't do this. We offer food to Thakurji thinking that he has made us cook it for him. And the way he wants to have it, it will be cooked. And the way he likes it, we'll have the same way. We don't care if its salt is less or more. We won't put over that. If it is arpit, if it's offered, it's best. You have two people in the family. One likes salt a certain way and other person likes the salt another way. Now when one person is cooking, then if it's tasting, it's very less. The other person is tasting the same, it's just too much. Now tell me, will you put the salt or you will not put the salt? Radharaman Lal, I'm cooking for you. You help me, I will put it. And whatever it is, because it's gunatit, it's offered. It has the qualities. My Radharaman Lal has eaten this from his mouth and it's blissful. I don't care about salt, sugar, spice after that. Are you relating to that kind of love? On that note, we will move ahead on we'll move ahead with the chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. We are currently on chapter number 12. It's a very, very beautiful chapter, as I always say. I made both my daughters learn at least Bhakti Yoga and Purushottam Yoga. And I want all my children sitting in front of me also to learn these two adhyayas of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, because they are always going to stay with you and constantly be the guiding light towards all the confusions you come across in Bhakti. Okay, so in the last class we have done the first five shlokas, wherein Arjun is asking that what kind of bhakti is superior, one with definite quality and form and the other with indefinite qualities and indefinite form. So Bhagwan is saying, for me, people who are meditating upon a physical form of mind are better off. Why? Because they can relate and get connected to me much more deeper. When I say I love Kripa, that Kripa's face, Kripa comes immediately in my imagination and my connection with her becomes deeper. Right? But if I say I love a girl who has straight hair, who's very committed, who's handling so many things of Nimai Pathshala, then so many girls come in my mind and there is no one stagnant, definite connection. That is the difference between serving the Lord in a form and serving the Lord in the form of energy. So Bhagwan is saying, for me, both are amazing and both will reach me. But the one who are meditating upon one form of me, they all will always be more connected towards me and their journey is going to be easier. And what is easier for my Vaishnavas, my Bhakts, that is always more special to me. So it is not him, it's actually us. Like, for example, do you realize this? For a Vaishnav, everything in his or her life is related to Radharaman. How I should dress up, how I should go, where I should go, what I should talk. The same way, everything in Radha Ramanji's life is all about his Vaishnavas. How my Vaishnav is happy, what is making him feel more stronger towards me, what journey is he relishing. Radha Raman Lal becomes all of that for you. Like the way we do everything for Radha Ramanji reciprocates in the same way. So when Radharamanji is being asked that what is better for you, he's thinking that what is better and easier for my Vaishnavas. And when he's thinking, he's empathizing with us, then he realizes that when people are connecting with me in a form, it is easier for them. And that is why he's saying it is superior in my eyes, because it's easier for all of us. Can you believe this, this feeling of him loving all of us so much that for him everything is about us? Only when in our life everything is about him. So the sixth shlok is going to reflect on your screen. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 12, shlok number 6. ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्परः अनन्येनैव योगेन माम ध्यायन्त उपासते. तू ये मत पराह, परंतु जो मेरे परायण रहने वाले भक्त जन संपूर्ण कर्मों को मुझ में अर्पण करके मुझ सगुण परमेश्वर को ही अनन्य भक्ति योग से निरंतर चिंतन करते हुए भजते हैं. So what is Bhagwan saying? That people who are meditating upon a definite form, but also they are surrendering everything to that form. Like we are surrendering everything in the lotus feet of Radha Raman Lal. Whatever we do, Shri Radha Raman Charan Arpanamastuhu. Radha Raman Lal, it's for you. So he's saying that the person who is Ananya, this is very important. Ananya, exclusive, only. Radha Raman Lal is my only one, my only ishta, my only love. When you are dedicated in the lotus feet of one and you consider that one the most powerful, then he becomes the most powerful and he gives you all the strength you need to pull off this life productively. But if you'll have comparisons, no, maybe this god, this demigod, this god is more powerful than my Isht, then he's going to become that confusion for you, and you are going to lose everything in that confusion. Be very dedicated. As I told you that story of a sadhu, right? That who was dancing, he had two rules. That I will dance, I thoroughly believe that Radha Raman belongs to me. I thoroughly believe that when I will dance, it will rain. But only I will dance till that time until the rain happens. I will do all my duties perfectly until Radha Ramanal comes to me. So you have to be very clear. These two should be the permanent philosophies of life of a Vaishnav. Radharaman, I will keep trying for you through mala, through bhakti, through seva, through prachar, through kirtan, through katha, till the time you don't get pleased and you give darshan to me. And second thing is, I know you are pleased and you will definitely give darshan to me. These two things should be the pillars of your life. So your bhakti should be very, very strong in the lotus feet of that one. And who is that one? That one is your Isht. That one is that form of God whom you are surrendered. तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्यु संसार सागरात् भवामी न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशित चेतसाम। हे अर्जुन, उन मुझ में चित लगाने वाले प्रेमी भक्तों का मैं शीघ्र ही मृत्यु रूप संसार समुद्र से उद्धार करने वाला हूं। इफ यू आर क्लियर, if you are totally clear about the destination you want to go, and if you are also aware of the road which is best for you, so what does Bhagwan say? Bhagwan say those who are fully confident about the destination and the road, I make sure that they take no halts on the way. They have no distractions or diversions on the way. I make sure, like Google Map helps you to reach the destination earliest, I also make sure that you reach your ultimate destination, that is the lotus feet of your Ishta, without any waste of time. Only thing that you need to know is your Guru and your Ishta. And when you know these both and you are surrendering everything that your Guru has told you to do in the lotus feet of your Ishta, you will be in the service of Radha Raman Lal ASAP, as soon as possible. Because then Radha Raman Lal is going, because if you follow the Google map directly with no diversions, you will always reach the fastest. Okay, so the next slok is going to reflect on your screen. मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः। मुझ में मन को लगा और मुझ में बुद्धि को लगा, इसके उपरांत तू मुझ में ही निवास करेगा, इसमें कोई संशय नहीं है। सो देयर आर टू पैरामीटर्स. There are two parameters that you need to always tame if you want to walk on the right path in your life. The first is your mind, the second is your heart. And trust me, if you have a strong mind, your mind can influence your heart to take the right decisions. So Bhagwan is saying you have to invest your mind and your heart in me. And if you are thinking about me and if you are loving me from your heart, then trust me, you are residing within me. You know, whenever we are doing something, whatever we are thinking about, we are always residing in that person or that thought. If we are thinking about a person, then in our thought, in our mind, from our heart, we are always meditating upon him, and it feels like that person is constantly with me. Because you're thinking about him, you are missing him, your heart is longing for that person, you're thinking about the memories, then in your memories, you're reaching to those destinations where you have spent some very good times together. Then even though physically your body must be in your room, but emotionally Mentally, you are with that person. You are with him. Do you understand? Do you relate to this? The same way, Bhagwan is saying, if you invest your mind and your heart in me, then your body might be anywhere, but you are residing with me. You are residing within me. But trust me, this needs a lot of training. Keeping your mind and your heart always in the leelas, or maybe in the chintan of Shri Radha Raman Lal, this is a very hard thing to do. It's very beautiful thing. For example, you know how you train your heart and mind to always meditate upon Radharaman Lal. It is only when intelligently you choose to be at those places which will constantly remind you of him. Like people who are always with friends, always talking about random things, they will always enjoy doing all that kind of things. Random, going out, coffees, um, being with friends, do wasting time. But those people who are intelligently doing seva, even if they are not connecting very well, but they are intelligently trying to do seva, then eventually your body, your mind, your heart will also adapt to that environment and you start relishing it. So even if currently you're not connecting with bhakti, but if you make your routines in such a way that you are in seva through anything, maybe offering bhoga, maybe making a routine of just 20 minutes doing kirtan in front of Thakurji every day, maybe just singing one stuti in front of him, that is going to make your heart and mind get that training to start relishing that particular sadhana. If you'll train your body and your mind to talk about random things, go to random places, your body will enjoy and relish only that kind of environment. But when you'll take them to kirtan, when you'll get your body and mind and your heart to the classes, eventually your mind and heart will start relishing classes also. So you have to bring the child intelligently to the right place so that he can learn the right things. If you take the child to a movie hall and if you expect him to learn scriptures there, it is never going to happen. The child is going to get connected to that kind of environment only. But when you strictly get the child to the class, and even if he's listening, if he's looking like he's not listening, still he's listening, and that sanskar is somewhere building inside him. His ears are listening. Subconsciously, he's making that sanskar within him. So very important that you have to if you want to relish bhakti, you have to use these two frameworks, mind and heart. You have to invest that into Bhagavan. The second last shloka of Srimad Bhagavad Gita class today. Yes. अथ चित्तं समाधातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनंजय. यदि तू मन को मुझ में अचल स्थापित करने के लिए समर्थ नहीं है. वाओ, our ideal state. Ma, we don't care how much gyan you give, it's very hard to tame our heart. But ततः तो हे अर्जुन, अभ्यास रूप योग के द्वारा मुझको प्राप्त होने की इच्छा कर. As I already explained you, even Arjun is saying, chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramathi balavadridam. He's saying, Bhagwan, you're telling me that I should invest my mind and my heart in you, but my heart is so naughty. It's like, that slime which attracts and get connected and, sticks everything to itself wherever it goes. Have you seen slime? It's very, ugh, it's very slimy, chippy. And you throw it anywhere, it will just attract and it will stick everything that is there around it on itself, right? So Arjun is saying, my heart is also very naughty. How can I invest my heart into you? Whosoever comes to me, I have a habit of giving my heart to that person, and that person misguides and uses my heart the way he wants, and then my heart gets broken. And then again, after crying for a very long time, I again with Fevikwik I join my heart, and again somebody comes and I give my heart to that person. Then that person again plays football with my heart and just leaves from my life. I'm such an intelligently stupid person, Bhagwan. I know this world is going to make me cry, but still, I give them the remote to my happiness. So, Bhagwan is saying, Arjun, I understand. It is very hard. Asanchya Mahabaho, Mano Durnigraham Chalam, Abhyasa Yogena Tato Mamichaptam, Dhananjay. Sorry, Abhyasena. So, Bhagwan is saying, if you do practice, as I said, it's all right if you're not connecting to bhakti that well. But if you are making a routine wherein you have to constantly come and serve Bhagwan, so that constant practice of serving Bhagwan will eventually eventually help you relish bhakti. When you don't know somebody, you don't connect to them, right? But when you start to know each other, you start investing time in each other, you start doing things for each other, then you start getting connected. And when you start to get to know each other, and when you are slowly getting to know each other and getting connected, one day you become best friends. And that is the person with whom you have the best time of your life now. And that one person was the strangest person ever in your life at one point of time. Same with bhakti. I am unable to connect to Radharaman, Bhakti, Bhagwan. Oh my God, this is not happening for me. But then what you start to do? You start to serve him. You start to, you make efforts to know about him through Nimai Pathshala, through Katha, through Kirtan, through Seva. And then when eventually you start to know who Bhagwan is, and then you fall in love and the relationship gets deeper, 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 deeper. And then one day it's only and only about him. So you have to understand this very clearly. You have to make a routine wherein you wake up, you thank God. You go out of the house, you take permission. You come back, you do arti. You offer bhog. You put him to sleep. These are the things that constantly will, for sometimes when we have to do something and we know that thing we might forget, we put alarms in our phones. We do put alarms, right? And that when that alarm rings, immediately remember, oh my God, I had to post this. Oh my God, I had to go there. Oh my God, I had to talk to that friend. Because that reminder reminded you that you're forgetting this, but this is important. Go and do this. The same way, when you have a routine of doing arti, making bhog, offering, that when the time comes, the alarm rings. Oh my God, I have to offer bhoga. So Radharaman comes inside your heart. And then you you prepare, you put the bhog, you come out, and again you forget. And after some time, it strikes 7 o'clock. Oh, I have to do Sandhya Aarti. Again, Radharamanji seeps in your heart. And then you do the Aarti, and then you come out, and probably sometime later, you then again forget. But then, oh, I have to put him to sleep. Again, a reminder. And then one day, you forget everything, and only thing that is reminded by you is Radharaman. This is how you have to train yourself. And the last sloka of Bhagavad Gita class today, and post that we will end the class with a beautiful sutra, is अभ्यासेप्य समर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मदर्थम अपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिम अवाप्स्यसि. अभ्यास में भी असमर्थ हो तो केवल मेरे लिए ही कर्म करने के पारायण हो जा. मेरे निमित्त कर्मों को करता हुआ भी तू मुझको ही प्राप्त करेगा. सो नाउ दिस इज वन स्टेप मोर easier for us and merciful by Radharaman Lal. So Bhagwan is saying, Mayyeva mana adatsva may buddhim niveshaya nivasisyasi mayyeva ta urdhvam na sanshaya. That you invest your heart and mind in me. Beep, red flag, Thakurji, very difficult. Then in the next slok after that, Thakurji is saying that no problem if you can't invest your mind and your heart. Then atha chittam samadhatum na shaknosi mayi sthiram abhyasa yoge na tato mami chaptum dhananjaya. Fine if you cannot invest your mind and your heart, but then just try to make a routine that constantly reminds you that I am there and you have to serve me, then only your relationship with me will become deeper. Now, if you say, oh my God, it is very difficult to put so many alarms. I'm very much used to when the alarm rings at 4 o'clock, I'm very much habitual of snoozing it and sleeping over it again. I'm very habitual, ma. Whenever the alarm rings, I know from where to put the snooze button. And I sleep again. Right? Happens with everybody. So, Bhagwan knows us better than what we know about each other. Then Bhagwan is saying in the next part that, okay, fine. I know this can also be very difficult. I have careers, I have classes, I have tuitions, I have family, I have so many things to do. These constant reminders are very difficult for me. Then Bhagwan said, okay, I'll become one more step easier for you. And then what is Bhagwan saying? Bhagwan saying that don't put any reminders. Whatever you are doing, everything, just do it for me. Everything, every karma that you're performing, think that you are doing it for whom? You're doing it for me. And when you think that you're doing it for me, then you align your karma in a way that is it going to make Radharaman happy? I'm going out, Radha Ramanlal. I'm going because I'm going to do this, and that is going to make you feel bad. I'm going to the office because this is how I'm going to earn money. And when I'm earning money, I'm going to support my family. My family is going to be happy, and my family will be happy. That will eventually make you happy. I'll give my best at my workplace because in the end, it's not the happiness of them. It is the happiness of you which matters to me. Everything. You're driving the car, it's for Radha Raman Lal. You're eating food, it's for Radha Raman Lal. You're going out, it's for Radha Raman Lal. You are taking care of your family, it's for Radha Raman. You're studying hard, it is for Radha Raman. Everything that you're doing is for Radha Raman Lal. And trust me, the real definition of bhakti is whatever you are doing for Shri Radha Raman Lal is bhakti. Even if you're driving a car and going to a place, but that going to that place, the reason is the happiness of Radha Raman Lal or some duty that Radha Raman Lal has given you, that is also bhakti. If you are studying hard in your examination and you know if you study hard, then Mama will accept your plea to go to Vrindavan Dham. You give your best. Studying your academics is also bhakti. Sitting 10 minutes with your parents in the evening, pressing their feet, spending quality time with them and making them feel valued is also a form of bhakti. Twameva mata chapita twameva. So that is what Bhagwan is saying, that it's all right. First, if you have to invest your mind and heart completely, difficult, no problem. What you start to do, make a routine where constantly you are coming back to me and serving. This is how your relationship with me will become deeper when we'll get to know each other better. Beep, very difficult, no problem. One step more easier. Whatever you do, easiest of things, just dedicate it to me. I will consider it bhakti. That's it. On this note, we end up with Bhagavad Gita. So, see, Radha Raman Lal loves us so much. This is not it, bacho. In the next shlokas, Radha Raman Lal has made everything the easiest for all of us, which we are going to know in the next classes to come. Quickly, we are on the Seva Aparadh and we have done 20 Seva Aparadh so far. Are we all good on this? Okay. So we will be doing, quickly we'll be doing next 5 Seva Aparadhs and then we'll end the class. This has no battery. So the next Seva Aparadh that we will be doing today is, it is, I think it's the same Seva Aparadh on which I spoke yesterday and my team has cut that part and put it on Insta. But yes, the next Seva Aparadh is that you do not eat anything before offering to the Lord. If you are eating before offering to the Lord, according to Vaishnav, Gaudiya Vaishnav Pranali, it is a Seva Aparadh. You cannot offer, you cannot eat and offer. You have to offer and then eat. The next Seva Aparadh that is being discussed here is that you, you have to always offer the Ritufal. That means the fruit of the season to the Lord. When it is summertime, you have lychees, you have mangoes. Bhagwan has only asked you to offer 4 things: patram, pushpam, phalam, toyam. You offer the flower, you offer the leaf, like Tulsi Maharani, you offer the fruit, which is the fruit of the season, and you offer water. So Bhagwan, you have to always offer to him and then you have to eat it. Then किसी फल आदि के अगले भाग को तोड़कर भगवान. That means you cannot offer something that has been already used. For example, you cooked something in the morning and evening there is a lot of leftover of that food. So you think that let me just re-offer it to the Lord. No. You always have to offer something fresh. And also, if you have cut the fruit and offered to the Lord, the other half cannot be offered. That is now, it's not amaniya. Now it is prasadi. So you have to always be very careful of that. So whenever you are offering, that offering thing can only, it doesn't matter you're offering the entire bowl or you're offering in a katori, in a small bowl. Whatever you're offering is being accepted. No matter you are showing the entire thing to the Lord or not. If you have made khichdi and you put the khichdi a little bit in the plate and offered him, that means that the entire khichdi is being offered from bhav. Because when you offer that khichdi and that khichdi becomes prasad, you get that khichdi and you put that khichdi in the entire khichdi and you mix it. So now the entire khichdi is prasad. Okay? This is how you do it. So the next is that you should never sit showing your back towards the Lord. You should always face him. If you show your back towards the Lord, it is also a seva aprad. And the last seva aprad for today's class is that you should never pay respect to anybody else other than Thakurji in front of Thakurji. When you are in the front of the Supreme, then that Supreme is everything. You put the entire obeisances in the lotus feet of the Supreme. And one seva aprad is, that I really want to say in this is that it's very, very important. It is very, very important. It is very important that you should never talk ill about anybody in front of the deities. You know why a person throws hatred towards other people? There can only be 2 reasons. The first reason is that person is jealous of you. That person is not getting the opportunity, not getting the freedom, he is not able to digest that how can you grow better than that person. And when that person sees it, he becomes full of anger, and that anger takes form of bitter words and the words of hatred, and he throws those bitter words on you wherever it is possible. As you can see on social media, a lot of people do. They don't even know you, they don't even know what effort you put, but they love to speak that I hate you, you are very irritating, you are very bad. These are those people who are either jealous of you. And also the second reason of throwing so much of hatred towards people whom you don't even know is insecurity. You are insecure that they are doing better than you and you will be replaced. This is one very big fear everybody has. Oh my God, she's doing more prachar, she's doing more seva, she's going to replace me and I will be nowhere. I hate her. These 2 things are very, very poisonous, and I please fold my hands in front of all of you that please stay away from jealousy and insecurity. You are a beautiful creation of the Lord and nobody can replace you. You are a unique piece created by him. What you can give, nobody else can give. Or probably the other person can give something better than you, but that can be in some other regard. But nobody can replace you. What Jaya is, Jaya has a unique quality. Kashvi has a unique quality. Adrika has a unique quality. Jaya can never become Adrika. Adrika can never become Jaya. Jaya has something unique to give, and Adrika will definitely have something unique to give as well. But when we start to think that, oh my God, Adrika is going to replace me, Jay is going to be angry. And then she will give birth to the emotion of hatred inside her heart. So I request and I love it when all my children on social media, whenever I come across a negative comment, it's actually true. Whenever I read some negative comment on my video, I'm very keen to read the comment on that comments. And if the comment on that comment is full of hatred, that makes me very sad. I never taught this to my children. If somebody is throwing hatred, we are not jealous of you, nor are we insecure. Why should I speak ill to you? And I love it when people talk intelligently and explain that, sir, this is the difference of pranali. This is right, this is right as well. That makes me proud, a proud mother. My children are sensible. My children are intelligent, not like those who have no brains and are just, spreading negativity and hatred in the world. So if you want to correct somebody, correct that person with politeness, with love. And that is going to make you a devotee of Sriman Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu falls in love with those people. Bhaj Gaurang, Kah Gaurang, Lah Gaurang ro naam re, Jai Jana गौरांग भाजे से होए आमार प्राण रे. I love you all because you all are spreading that mission of Shriman Mahaprabhu. Not hatred, not negativity. People are spreading hatred, they are giving negative comment, but my children are writing, definitely are writing on that comment, but that comment is intelligent, full of love. Sir, why are you filled with so much hatred? You meet me next time, I'll give you a hug. You'll feel better. I'm not going to replace you. Don't worry. Understand your power. On that note, quickly, I'll finish the class with a very beautiful story that Maharajji told in one of his kathas, and I love it. That once somebody asked Prabhupada ji that you're always saying Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Krishna. What is Krishna Ram, Krishna Ram, Krishna Ram? What power does it have? It has no power. So Prabhupada ji thought about it for some time and then said, oh yes, gentlemen, I think you are very, very right. You rascal, wait for a minute, I will tell you. That person said, excuse me? What did you just call me? He said, I just said, you rascal, please wait for a second, I will tell you. And he became so angry. How dare you call me a rascal? Then Prabhupada ji said, see, before I told you a gentleman, you were happy. But the moment I changed your name from being gentleman to rascal, this is what the power of name has done to you. You have become aggressive and you have become crazy. So that person was in shame and he said, oh my God, now I believe a wrong name, if a wrong name can make you so angry, on the other hand, chanting good names can also make you very powerful. So on that note, we will end today's class. Lots of love to you. I'm really sorry that today again I got caught in the traffic and I think, one day I'm going to have like a BP issue because I'm like always panting and, literally blabbering to people that get out of my way, get out of my way. And Maharaj is like that, why do you? And then I had to like say, Diksha, please take over and all that. But Radha Raman Lal's kripa that finally managed to reach home. But sorry about today. The class got a bit delayed because of the traffic I had no control upon. I will see you all next Monday, and I hope the good things that you learn in the class, you always communicate those things to other people. You all run different types of programs to promote all the things that you do. Good deeds, good thoughts should always be promoted as well. You can make videos of your own, promoting that good thought, or probably of the class also, but the motive should be to spread that positivity and a message of love in the entire world, and that makes you the belongers of Shri Radharaman Lal, belongers of this Guru Parampara, and my cute, beautiful children whom I love, 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 love the most. A lot of people say, I don't understand that why you always talk like that. And I said, sir, that is my way of convincing my children to be a certain way. I am maybe not like a lot of other people. Actually, I'm not like any other people because I am me, myself, and I'm very proud of it. And you should always be proud of who you are, because never forget, you are a unique creation of my Radharaman Lal, who has sent you on this world with a beautiful motive. Always remember that. See you all next Monday. Lots of love and lots of love again. Radhe Shyam.